Enterprise mobility solutions are complex. Users and devices are often dispersed, and it's hard to quickly evaluate the health and effectiveness of mobile technology programs. To be sure you're getting the results and ROI you want, you need complete end-to-end visibility to see where devices are, who's using them, and where they are in their life cycle. Stratix solves for that with our proprietary itrac360 platform. From one easy-to-use dashboard that you can customize, you get a complete view of every mobile device in your enterprise, from big picture to small detail. You know where everything is, from the point of acquisition to provisioning, deployment, support, and repair. There is a powerful search bar along with preset reports to choose from, or you can set up your own. Adding filters lets you drill down to exactly the information you're looking for quickly. When a device needs service, itrac360 can manage and monitor the return authorization status from issuing a replacement device to tracking current repair activities. You can even track your end-user help desk calls real-time, incident volume, reported problems, end-user information, and resolution outcomes. itrac360 is a powerful tool for spare pool management, so you always have just the right number of spare devices to minimize downtime and excess inventory. Everything is visible to help you see histories, identify trends, and make informed strategic decisions about your programs. Set up custom alerts so that when thresholds are crossed, itrac360 will send proactive messages for timely decisions to keep your mobile operations running smoothly. itrac360 delivers the real-time information and insights your organization needs for comprehensive asset management across your entire mobility solutions. Call Stratix today and let us show you how itrac360 can revolutionize your asset management.